We got started almost 2 years ago, ready to go for a dream of owning our own rental equipment and be our own boss.
Primarily, we're just a small little Ma and Pa rental store that are catering to the smaller local Kansas City metropolitan contractors. Skid steer loaders, mini excavators, some compaction equipment, concrete buggies, and miscellaneous attachments and dump trailers.
Kirby-Smiths came to Kansas City 3-4 years ago. We want to be present, more convenient access, just be more accessible for our customer base and grow our customer base too. So we're expanding to the east side of Kansas City, and that's why we're at Big O's Equipment today. Takeuchi is truly a world leader in compact track loaders, mini excavators. They're a purpose-built machine. It's a great product, yeah.
It's just a durable product. We have a TL6, a TL8, a TL10, and a TL12. It's the kind of machine that when it goes out of warranty, you don't have to get worried.
What we're doing here at Kirby-Smith is we teamed up with Big O's Equipment and Rental Sales to provide a better service out in this region. We're stocking parts out here now. We're providing machinery out here for rental sales. It helps Jeff as well because he rents small equipment. So it's a win-win for all of us.